in the context of predictive analytics, we can use the integration of sensors along with edge computing. In the context of predictive maintenance and IoT, we can leverage both of them together so that we can make more smarter factories in a sense of manufacturing, as well as edge computing when we want to analyze the data for multiple applications for societal benefit as well as in the technological improvements. So the second one, we can use IoT along with data sciences in the context. We can use them for, as I said earlier, a right quality, high resolution. At times we need right quality and a right volume of data. We can use the IoT so that whatever data is right, that only should be used for analysis if we really want to download that, or either for edge computing. Then we should also use IoT and the data science in the context of building and leveraging, as I said, the digital twins and testing some of the MVPs, the minimal viable products. So there, IoT can be really, really helpful. We should build more labs around that in the institutions, in the industrial setups, so for small MVP testing itself.